So in this session, just discuss about this particular machine learning for Internet of Things for data analysis. Now, as we know that machine learning is nothing but in terms of your Internet of Things, every device can generate massive of volumes of data. In this session, that
let's
too
check
with
it
the
out with
multiple
the
devices you will able
crisp
to
of your
receive
data
the data.
mining. So
So
this
every
data mining
way,
could
this
be considered in
particular
the case of
IoT
your
is being supported with
understanding your
machine learning
data
with the
in a much
perspective of
better
this
manner.
machine learning
We need to
can
have
powered
some
by
kind
your
of a
data
processing model.
and can generate
So
insight
this
from it.
particular
So by means of
methodology
that, your
can give you
machine
the
learning
understanding for whatever
uses
the
your
data
past
which you will
behavior
be
to
able to
identify
receive in the
patterns for
application
models
and
which
your
can help
data
in
preparation.
terms of
After that you can
predict the
apply it for your
future
data
behavior
preparation
for
and
the
then you
event.
can define a
So for
model
that
for
purpose, machine
evaluation and
learning
then
for
further it
Internet
will
of
go
Things
to
can
the
be
deployment.
utilized and can get
So
benefited
with
for the
this
data
respect,
analysis.
this data
So in
management
in
crisp
in that manner,
phases can be
every time
divided
to do
into
this
six
task,
phases:
whenever we are
understanding,
supported with the IoT based
understanding your
machine learning,
application, data
your
understanding, data
learning can able to
preparation,
deliver
modeling,
insight.
evaluation, and
Otherwise, the
deployment.
rapid data for the
So as
automated
we have
responses
seen in previous
can
session
help
for the data
user to
processing part,
improve the
we need to
in the
understand
decision
the
making.
data first.
So
So in
in
order
your
to that,
machine
we will
learning for
collect
your
the data.
IoT can be
After the collection
utilized
of that
for
data from that multiple
evaluating and
IoT devices,
predicting
then we will
your
describe that data.
abnormalities, augmented
Once
intelligence,
we'll
or
able to
any
describe this
sort of
data, then
your
we'll move for the
investigating images,
exploration part.
audio, video.
Now, in order to
At
that,
that
for
moment,
this
you can
particular
get the support of
understanding
this
purpose,
particular
we
machine
need to
learning for your
have
IoT that can be
initial
utilized for
phases
your
in the case of your data
different
understanding
projects.
and your data
Now,
preparation.
as we are
So
discussing
we
here
have
for
seen
the
some of the data preparation where
machine
the
learning
cleaning of the
in
data,
terms of that
integrating your
IoT
data,
can simply
then
able to utilize
reformulate
this
and resize
machine
your
learning
data
for
as per the
IoT will
requirement. And
help
we have undergone with
to
the each
identify hidden
individual
patterns from your
stages
IoT data.
we required to do
Now,
that
as the data
respective
volume
phase
size
to
is too large,
furthermore
that
get
can
into
be
your
able to
data
receive from
processing
your
part.
IoT
But
multiple
when we are
devices.
going to this
So by
particular
means of
section of data
utilizing all
preparation
the
and data processing, we need to
data
first
sophisticated
understand
algorithm
your
through
data.
which you can
Now, very
get
first
and
step
derive
for
the
your
hidden
data
patterns from your
understanding
IoT.
will be your
So
collection
machine
of your
learning
data.
can able
Now,
to
this collection
replace
are nothing
manual
but
process without
list of data set that you
uh,
will acquire from your
automated
application.
automation of your
That may be
system,
your
and
location,
that can able
or that
to
may be any
derive
kind
it
of
by means
sensor
of the
values,
action in
or
the way
any
of
sort
your
of
clinical
method that can
processes.
able
At
to
that
help
moment, we
you to
go for
get that
your
respected
machine learning.
data set,
So
or acquire
one
that
of the
data set.
example could be I
So
in your
this will be
machine learning.
able to get
Let's say
only
company can utilize
when
your machine
certain
learning for
methods
the
have been
IoT
adapted to
devices for the
acquire your
predictive
data.
capability,
Once
because on the
data is
basis of
collected,
your past
next
history
phase
for
for your
your
data understanding comes out
data
is your
that is being
describing
received
your
from
data.
your machine
Now, when
can
you
able
say
to
that you
provide by
wanted to
based on the
describe data,
past and
in
current
what manner
performance, you
you are
can able
saying
to
that
generate the
describe
predictive
description
capability.
for your data
Through
in
that,
terms of
one
your
can
volume
enable
or in terms of
whatever
its
the insight
properties?
view for that
So based
respected
on that, you
system
will
could be
able to
there. That
describe
can
that
be able
data.
to utilize by
So
means of
every
your
time the
machine
availability
learning.
of all sort of attributes can be defined with the case of
Let's say
attribute type,
when we are
attribute
going
range,
ahead with this
correlation can
particular
be able
machine
to
learning
done
for
with
IoT,
this particular
you can
description,
investigate
so
and
that you
transform
can
your data,
understand meaning of
and
each of
along
the
with that, you can build
attributes
your machine learning model by
so
means
that
of
you
that
can utilize
this
in
particular
terms of
model.
that
By
your
applying the
application or in your
transformative
business terms.
data, can able to
So
turn out to
that we
give
will
the
able to
uh,
get to know this description for your
sufficient
data. So
equivalent
each
result out of that
attribute
learning
may
model.
have some kind of
We can even
statistics
able
may get
to
involved.
deploy
Maybe
these
your
kind of learning
distribution,
algorithm or
mean,
learning
average,
models on your cloud,
standard
or
deviation,
even on
variance.
your
All
edge to
these
edge
things can
devices.
come into play
So by
for
means
all
of
those
that, you
attributes
can
for the
able to
collected
get the
data.
benefit out of this particular machine learning.
Next
So
phase,
here is the architectural
after this
view for
particular
IoT based
description of your
machine
data,
learning
is
for data
exploration.
analysis.
Now, when
Now,
you
this
talk about this
particular
exploration part,
IoT
every
self
time data
service
exploration
IoT
are
platform we
nothing
can
but
able to utilize
technique,
here in this
and
architecture.
that can
So this
include the both
platform
and
can comes ready to go
manual
with
and
the tools,
automated, both ways of
and that tools can
exploration
result
can be
with the
possible. So
result it
this is
without
only
some kind of
done
connectivity
with the
issues
case of
or some kind of
either the
management and
manual
application
analysis or
enhancement
some
issues with
sort
the
of way you can take
integration
a
and
help of your
strengthening that
software
respected
solution,
analytics
so that
analytics for
you
that
can
respected
visualize
deployment
that
for your
data
system.
with different
So
variable
this
structures
platform
for
can
your
always
data
be
set,
considered
and
with the case
even
of
for the
the cloud.
presence outliner you
So
can
here you
take
can
a help
consider
of
the
this
multiple
particular data
connected devices
exploration.
to this architecture
Now,
through
by
which
means
you
of
are
this
able to
data
receive the
exploration, you will
data.
always
So
have
in the
one
way of
kind of
that
way to
that data
identify
could be able to
pattern
place it on the
from
platform
that
of
whole
your
lot
cloud,
of data
and
which
this
you have
particular available data
received
that
or
is being placed on
gathered
the
it
cloud.
from
So
your
based upon that,
application.
your
So you
platform
can
is
dig more
can
in
be able
detail
to
for
derive on
patterns,
the
and that is
basis
done
of
with
your
the
single base
method of
IoT
data
device or
exploration.
standalone IoT devices,
Now,
or even for
this
the case of edge
exploration can
solution
have
that
an
can be able to
interactive
support
dashboard
it for your
or
IoT
point to
devices.
point clicking data
So this
exploration, so
design
that
can
you, the
help
user can
a
understand
user to
better picture
quickly
for
build
that
new
data
machine
exploration
learning
insights
models,
in that
and
manner.
that can be used with the case of
Every time
your
this particular data
auto
exploration
ML
may
support.
be
So
referred
by
it as
means
an
of that, you
initial
can choose
step
your
for data
data, whether the
analysis.
data is
Keep this in
be
mind.
to be operational
So this
devices
data
data
analysis
captured
can be
on that respected
utilized
architecture or
always for the
historical
data
data, you can take it
visualization or
by
data
means of either of the
statistical
way. You can
techniques.
utilize that respected data
So based
with the
on that,
case
you
of
can able
different
to describe the
libraries altogether.
data set
So here you
characterization
can
with the
take a
different
data
sets of
lake
attributes
either
like
from your
size,
cloud, and
quality,
then it is being transferred to your
quantity,
data hub.
accuracy. In order to
Whatever the
that, you can
data which is
understand
coming
your
in from this particular hub, it
nature
is
for
being
that
passed on to
respected
your
data much better
learning model.
manner.
So this machine learning model can
So
able to
when
get the
it comes
support
to
of your
your
different libraries, maybe your
data,
data science
as you know that
library as a PyTorch or
if at
R
all
or
you are
TensorFlow. These are the few of
required
the
to collect
example
the
for
data
your
set,
data
so
science library.
yeah, the gathered
So through
data
this
in
particular
the way
learning
of
model,
collection can
whatever
be
the
very large,
data
and
libraries
in
are
that
there,
way
along with
the
that,
large amount of
your
data is always
data
unstructured
hub that is
format.
being applied from
So
your
in
real
the way
base
of
data that is
that
coming in from your
unstructured
cloud
way
is
from
being
your
passed on to
source,
your
it can be able
machine
to
learning.
identify and
So this machine
analysis can
learning
be
will also
provided for
able to
such of the
support some of the
exploration.
operational
So
store,
you
one of the
require
way,
some kind
or
of
file system you
exploration
are
tools.
supported with the
So
random
exploring
data
data will be
altogether as
nothing
per the
but
requirement.
analyzing
So
its
based upon
properties
that, you will able to
for
utilize your learning model.
getting much more detail into
So
its
your
attributes. So which
automated
will simply give the
ML that can be
distribution or
able to stream it
relationship
for the
between
analytics
pairs and
purpose.
small number of
So this
attributes or
support will
properties of
able to
that
allow your machine
significant
learning model
statistical
to be chosen
parameters,
for
or you can
your
utilize this
data.
in the way
So
of
whether
the
the it
statistical
has to be
analysis for
operational
your
data
data
device
exploration.
captured, or it
So
may be
in that
your
way, the
historical data
variety
that
of
is
data
being
quality
captured
can be
from
achieved.
any of the
So
either
in
source
that
from
manner,
cloud or
the
local
identifying
system,
the
or
special
even operational store,
values
you
or
can able to apply
catalog
it for
for
your
their
system.
individual meaning
So
can be
by
able
means
to
of
verify
that,
it.
the
So
flexibility
this
for
data
the
exploration
utilization of that
may have
respected
some
data
kind of
science
way,
library can be
some kind
able
of
to choice
missing
it as per
attributes
this
may
particular
also
user
occur in
choice.
that manner.
So there could be
So in
able to
that
have the variety
manner,
of
if at all
data
you are
science
going ahead with the
libraries are
data
available.
exploration technique
Maybe
and
your
some missing
TensorFlow,
values are
Keras,
being
or
found, then it would be
Scikit-learn. So
suggested
these are
and
nothing but
recommended that whatever the
for
missing
developing different
values
machine
will be there
learning
or missing
models.
data will
You
be
can
there.
able to
After the
utilize this
identification, it has to be
kind
loaded
of
with the
data
blank
science
fields.
libraries.
Then
So
and then only
this
you will
particular
able to
architecture will
explore that
always
data in
allows your machine learning
much
model to
better
be
manner.
deployed in your
Every time
let's say
this
data
particular
science framework. Doesn't matter whatever sort
data
of application will
exploration
be there,
can be
then these models can be
considered
transformed into
for the
your
case of the
industry
data
standard
analysis, where
formats for
some
the
of the
standardization
exploration
purpose.
data analysis
So
tools are
using
available.
your different
So
open
similar
source
to your data
tools that can be made
exploration,
available
the
with the case of
statistical
this particular
techniques can be
architecture,
utilized
user
to
can
analyze
utilize
the
those
data
ways
set
of
for
different
the
tools and
for their
transformation
broad
from the industry
characterization.
standards.
So this manner you can
And
utilize
that way,
this.
it can be
And some of the
utilized, or
application where
even
you
by
require this
means of
data
your rapid model deployment
exploration
can be
could
able
be
to
your
done
GIS.
with the
So let's
optimized machine
say
learning,
that your data
so that
exploration
it can
in
be deployed
GIS,
it
that
very
is nothing
quickly.
but geographic information
So,
system.
by this particular
Because this
framework,
system will always
one
give
can
you
able
the
to utilize the
gathered
way of
framework
the either
where
the
the
learning
analyzing
itself from
data
data or
that are
import it
connected
from
to
that
geographic
respected data
locations and their
from your data science
relation to
framework
the
or from
natural
your model
activity on the
deployment in
earth.
your
So in that
respected
manner,
environment.
the data
Either
set
of the way
becomes
is
huge.
possible.
So there are some of the advanced GIS
So
softwares
this can be
and tools
utilized by
that
means
can
of this particular
facilitate
machine learning for
and give
Internet
the
of Things for the data
incorporation
analysis
suite for
purpose.
the spatial or temporal analysis for these kind of way for wherever the existing large data is being occurred it out, so that the data visualization can be able to utilize with these kind of tools. Even for the case of the machine learning application, your data exploration in machine learning can be considered as, in order to perform well, your machine learning data exploration model should able to give you the large quantities of data and model which always follow the high efficient accuracy for your system, so that if at all your any sort of variable identification is there, or unvariate analysis will be there, or bivariable analysis will be there. So all these things can be able to utilize in the data exploration in machine learning application. So where the continuous or non-continuous or scattered plots can be able to explore from that data set, or even for that manner detecting some kind of missing values, or the detecting and treat outliners can be able to effectively utilize with the case of this application using data exploration. Now, once you will explore your data, another important factor comes in your data understanding is quality.